Lantana is a shining example of what a master plan community should be. And now for the second time, judges from around the country, along with the Dallas-Fort Worth Home Builders Association, have awarded Lantana as the Community of the Year. Here's more.
The lifestyle in Lantana is very family-oriented. We're almost multi-generational. We have grandparents and families with kids and lots of family activities. We have Music on the Green, where all of our families get together on Friday nights in May and listen to different genres of music at the gazebo. They bring their picnic blankets and the kids run and play. We have our spring and fall festivals where our landscape company brings out plants and trees and flowers, and we have bounce houses and face painters. Lantana is very unique in the fact that there is a price point or a home style available for everyone. Lantana has compiled the best builders in the Metroplex. We have Highland Homes, David Weekley, Newport Home Builders, Landstar. The Lantana Golf Club is an incredible course. It was designed by Jay and Carter Morrish. We opened a few years ago. We are a semi-private golf club, so you have the opportunity to become a member of the club. Not only do you have your community, but you have the opportunity for a fitness facility. We have a great fitness facility with a cardio room and a weight room. We have 6 tot lots with playgrounds for the kids, and we have our beautiful main swimming pool where the Lantana Lightning swim team compete. Lantana is in the perfect location. We are between the two 35s. We're between 35E and 35W, so it's easy access to the freeways.
Go north on I-35E to the Valley Ridge exit and go west. Turn right on 2499 and left on Justin Road 407. Continue approximately 3 miles and turn right on Lantana Trail into the community. The Visitor Center is located at the corner of Bradford and Lantana Trail.
We believe that if you come into Lantana, you're going to fall in love with the lifestyle and you're going to find the home of your dreams.